Wonder where Jose's at. Welcome guys, welcome back to the shop. In the last vlog, we did the gas tank. Gas tank's finally in the 240. If you guys are new to the channel, we put a brand new gas tank in the 240. Earlier this morning, I was working on the 240. I put the lines in. Let's just say they're mocked up for right now. They're right there. I want to have all the lines already to the front because I was gonna show you guys how to mock up these lines, but dude, like trying to route everything was pretty hard while filming, so I didn't do that. But I'll show you how I routed everything. Also, I'll show you the lines on the fuel hanger. That looks really nice. I didn't have a retaining clip for the thing, so I just put the lines onto the fuel hanger and clamped them down. That should work good. So check this out. Lines are right there. The long one is for the return, and then the short one is our feed. Before I did anything to the 240 with this 1UZ swap, the fuel filter was on the back firewall, and then the fuel regulator was right there. So I kind of want to mimic that same design, but make it as clean as possible, because I also want to do a tuck engine bay style, just to make it look so much cleaner, because the engine, from up top, the engine looks really pretty. Engine bay looks a-okay. So that's what I want to do. I'm waiting for Jose. I'm about to put this subframe in, so you guys can watch me just struggle for the next 10-20 minutes until Jose comes in. Well, change the plans. We're gonna put the fuel filter on right now. Jose mocked up the location, so we're gonna run the fuel filter on the frame. We are running a D. Schwartz 110. I'm gonna show you guys how to put these on, because these are spring loaded and fluid goes only one way. These dirty hands with touching it. It doesn't matter. But anyways, you're gonna need a AN fitting tool. Well, I already cracked this side open. Open it up, put it on the side. So the spring will go in like that. Get your O-ring. They gave you some lube. I'm just gonna put it all the way around. O-ring goes in there. On that side, it's gonna go boom. And it's just gonna go straight in. Spring loaded, remember. Bam, done. Double check this side. The numbers, you're always gonna have your feed go through it and then out. So whenever you mock it up, feed will go, however you mock it up, feed will always go over here by your number side and out. So now we have to put these bad boys on. And then I am running a -6 swivel hose in. So we'll show you how to put these on once we get down under the 240. This end right here, you can see the threads in there, basically go on the end right there. And then this end will be for your hose. Let's go take this, put it on. Oh, I stepped on the Sharpie. Got it on. Now we have to cut the lines, and then we have to put the -6 fittings on. Don't cut your finger off. Ah! He's about to put the last line on, and then we're gonna, he already got it. I fucked it up, but it still works good. We're gonna put the rear end back in the 240, and then we're gonna flop the 240 around, put the engine in. So, hey man, 3, 2, 1.
You think you could lend me a bit of cash? 12 for 2 bottles of red wine, 10 for blends of hash. You could buy some K and we could make it through the night. Something in my head has made me scared of what's inside. I've had an awful day, I'm feeling sorry for myself. Don't tell me to stop.
Yeah, leave it like that. Come on. Oh, you fucking bitch! It had it right in there! Yeah, what? Lift it up, bitch. It fell out? No, it went straight in. Guys, we're all ready to start doing the final stuff of the fuel system for this 1UZ swap. We did the fuel pump already, which y'all saw. We put the engine back in. We took out the coolant system because we got some stuff to do with the coolant system, just a couple of easy things. And right now we're gonna finally finish up the rest of the fuel stuff, which is the fuel regulator with the rest of our vibrant lines. Let me show you guys what I got. D Schwartz, baby, everything D Schwartz. So I went with the, which is this? The DW1000, I wanna say?
It doesn't say.
It doesn't say. But I know this one's the 1000 series. If you guys are gonna run these, make sure you guys get the gauge, wherever Jose put it. Cause these don't come with a gauge, trust me. I shit balls when I got this. I thought I was missing a part, but there's a little thing in here that you take out and then you put it on there. Oh, whoa, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa, 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 we can't, no. We do. Oh my God! Oh, what is fucking dude? He's breaking everything. First the engine, now the fucking.
What I do with the engine?
Oh man. But anyways, we're mocking up where this is gonna go, and we found a fucking OEM spot, amazing spot.
So here's the feed hose.
Here's the exactly the feed hose.
This
So
goes on here like so.
oh no, the other way, because we're gonna have it flipped up like that. Yeah. We'll have it flipped up, and bam.
I think there's
Perfect.
a bolt somewhere around here.
Huh?
I think there's a bolt somewhere around here.
Yeah, we got bolts right there.
I think there's one over there.
Let's see what this 350Z got. Damn. Oh shit, and a washer. Perfect. It's like that one time I found that S14 gas tank in the trash. So we'll just put it there. Looking perfect. And then it should come with bolts. And then we already have it. Like, dude, we didn't even measure this and it just came out perfect. It came out fucking perfect. So we were debating on doing this setup right here, how the line is, because the headers are literally right there. But Vibrant claims these go 1500 for heat proof. We'll see. If the car doesn't blow up, Vibrant's the shit. You gotta full send it for the subscribers. Don't be a bitch. We're back, and it's Monday. The worst day of them all, unless you're fucking a millionaire and you fucking don't have work. You just wake up every morning, get your coffee, and go YouTube all day.
It's about right there.
Bam!
It's a little crooked.
Oh, bitch. How about that? One more thing. You gotta get one of these. Don't forget to get your D Schwartz gauge. How you like that, boys? Woo! That's on fire. So now what we're gonna do is we gotta start mocking the fuel line hoses. We gotta put our fittings on. Jose's scratching his butt. So we gotta put our fittings on. We gotta figure out how we're gonna line all this up. We have two banjo fittings. These banjo fittings are gonna be replacing the OEM banjo fittings that we have here. We have one right here, so you'll have a line going that way, and then we have one right here, and you'll have another line going that way. So those are for the fuel lines. We are working with a 90-degree. We also have another straight, and then this one will be going into the fuel regulator itself on the bottom, and then after that, this will be going into this one. So it's kind of these two are together.
Bouteille, viens ici que je te caresse, tu me plais, j'ai un peu de monnaie donc allons à la caisse. Prends ma main, on va se balader, dépêche-toi ça presse, laisse-moi reposer mes lèvres, faut se saouler en express. J'ai un boulet qui me presse, laisse-moi peser mes peines, on peut appeler tes potes, m'aurait dit pas Heineken, plus de cœur entre mes côtes, comprends-tu petit envers, tout le rouge que tu contiens, laisse-le couler dans mes veines. Le chat est parti dansant dans la rue, même plus de battement de cœur, on s'en tape de dos gentiment. Et à la main une belle tête. bouteille de vin. Tu me gardes maladroit et je te garderai frais sous les zones noires des bâtiments. On me dit que j'abuse, je joue Albert Camus. Je veux des femmes nues, de la bouffe un peu tard et je bâtis mon chemin. Et c'est pour ça que je suis puni. Entre collines faites de vin, je dirais que je suis bien loti. Motor City, hella class in the night. Heavy hand served nicely when a pelican arrives. Half-fast lights act as candle for a blanche. When desire for the use of double bedding comes to mind. Swig a bit of house.
We just got done completing the fuel system. That means we are completely done. We put all the fuel system stuff in this goddamn video. Does the engine look kind of crooked?
Maybe your face is crooked.
Nah, it probably is. But anyways, guys, everything is complete. It is going to be staying where it's at. We had to take the throttle body off because it started flaking, so I got to redo that. And just admire Jose's work. My work.
Visited the pulse, I resided in my cage. Saying it was $4.99, beat the red flow in my veins. Life in Motor City kinda pricey, but if you're feeling lucky, there's a couple mecca bingos. Win a bit of copper dough, spend it on a bottle, go linger by the wide. I in need of a lighter. Comes up, says needed some guidance. Why would the guy so almighty delight in my suffering? What the shoddy kingdom, driven by my village urban. I'm sad and I'm lonely again. I said, hey man, crack is here. Take a walk on the wild side. No. Hey man.
Super excited that the fuel system is finally done, which means now we can start putting all the electrical stuff on, turn on the car and see it blow up. I hope it don't blow up. Super excited for this. I probably won't make a video of us putting the injectors, the wire harness in. It's nothing special. But that's probably what I'm gonna do right now. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out too. Peace out.